Hey, this is Robert. I want to give you guys a travel update in case you need my assistance with something while I'm on the road. Want me to check something out, want to do a meet and greet, whatever you want to do, let me know. Go to my website, call or text me. If you send me, I don't know why. I tell people over and over again. Facebook Messenger, worst way to contact me. Second worst way, because I don't check it often, especially on the road, is email. If you want me to miss your message, send me a email. I might get it in a year or two. Anyway, my travel plans. I'm going to leave Albuquerque Thursday afternoon, end up in Oklahoma City Wednesday night. I don't know what date that is. That's the 6th. On the 7th, I will be in Little Rock, Arkansas, Memphis, Tennessee, towards Knoxville, Tennessee. Probably stay the night somewhere between Knoxville and Winston-Salem. Saturday morning, I will leave there, go to the Washington, D.C. area. I will be in the Washington, D.C. area the 9th, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday at a minimum. Wednesday or Thursday, I will head down to the Raleigh-Durham area. Friday, I will be in Charlotte. That'll be Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Monday, I'm going to head over to Anderson, South Carolina. Tuesday, I'll head to probably towards Atlanta, Georgia. May stay there a day or two, and then I will be heading back towards Albuquerque. So, be gone a week or two, something like that. Hold on a second. Alright, so I am on my trip. Be gone 2 weeks. Then I'll be back in Albuquerque there 2 weeks from Wednesday, something like that. So if you need me, get in touch with me. I seen a guy laying on the ground stuck. Looked like he was stuck over a fence. I was going to try to help him out, but he said he's alright, so whatever. That's my travel plans. Let me say this. I get messages almost every day. Hey Robert, if you're ever in my area, let me know so we can connect. I want you to check something out for me. I want to buy you a beer, whatever. And half the time, I was just in their area a week or two ago. So here's the deal. One of the benefits of taking a peek at my daily videos is that I usually post my travel plans somewhere along the week or two. I'm going to be traveling usually a few days before I travel. So if I come through and you miss me, it's not my fault. I posted the video. The people that watch the videos get the benefit of knowing when I'm coming through, having me help them if they need help. I'm glad to help, glad to stop. So I don't know what else to say about that. Thanks for watching.